The dissolution analyzer is used to measure the dissolution rate and degree of dissolution of tablets and gelatin capsules under laboratory conditions. It has 6 reservoirs and 6 blades arranged in one row. The main parts of this equipment rotate smoothly and flexibly. All basins and blades are made of stainless steel SUS316L. The water flow is circulated by magnetic pump, distributing it evenly through the system, and the water bath maintains the same temperature. This tablet dissolving device is equipped with automatic control of temperature, speed change and time. We provide detailed instructions for setting up the dissolution analyzer. Dissolution analyzers are inspected and tested in production before shipment. Completeness and performance is guaranteed. Experienced specialists of the company Minipress will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru, one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp at +7 985 364 38 08. You can also send a request to email info@minipress.ru. We maintain a stock of parts and consumables. The price is inclusive of customs fees in Russia and delivery to the buyer's city. Dissolution analyzer for tablets and capsules RC-06, speed range 20 至200 RPM, rotation speed error ±2 RPM.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.